Hello everyone and welcome back to quite possibly the most important knowledge group video, how to register for a live webcast. So the event page that you'll see on screen now, this is an example of an upcoming one, is an absolute treasure trove of information about the event itself, which can be all accessed just by scrolling down. But what we've done to make things easy is we've segmented everything as well, and you can click on the left hand side of the screen if you wanted to jump to a particular piece of information. So we've cycled through a couple there, but at the bottom you'll see view all your webcasts, and if you're logged in, that will take you to an itemized list of other webcasts. So if you did want to jump back and forth, you've got the scope to be able to do so, but by clicking the register live webcast button, it'll take you to a confirmation screen where it'll show you more information about the webcast, such as the broadcast date, the number of credits there, as well as any costs incurred. And then it's just a case of clicking add to cart. Now once you've clicked that button, it will redirect you to the cart where you can add any promotional codes, remove webcasts if you wanted to, as well as find more information there prior to checking out. So click the proceed to checkout button for the next step, which is just completing our checkout process, which is a simple case of entering all of the fields there that are required, as well as entering a promotional code if you forgot to enter it on the previous screen. So once you have entered all of that information, it's just a case of clicking that place order button there and you'll see the processing order screen. Now after the order has finished processing, you will be redirected to the previous page that you were on where it showed you more information about the webcast just prior to hitting that add to cart button if you remember it before. However, there's a few new buttons that you'll see on screen momentarily. There's some confirmation that you've paid, as you can see there. But if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see the buttons on how to join the live webcast. There's another button that has some login instructions if you need them there, but by clicking that join live webcast button, that will take you to the webcast portal. Typically, we open that webcast portal up about 15 minutes before your webcast scheduled start time, but just a quick note, you won't be able to hear anything until we do start the broadcast at the time of your event. So if there are any questions in terms of how to connect, feel free to reach out to us. info@theknowledgegroup.org is the address that you need. Likewise, we've got our ticketing service and our live chat service available through the website as well. So however it's most convenient for you to get in touch with us and let us know you need a little bit of support, we'll be there for you. So we look forward to seeing you at your next Knowledge Group webcast, whenever that may be. And until that time, take care and bye for now.